Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the ADQ56656401 Dryer Lint Screen, hailed as one of the best in the market for its efficiency and durability. This lint screen is designed to fit LG and Kenmore dryers, providing a robust replacement for your worn-out filter. Crafted with a stainless steel mesh and an ABS frame, it's built to withstand daily use and effectively capture lint and debris from your dryer exhaust. Included with the lint screen is a handy dryer lint vent trap cleaning brush, ensuring easy maintenance and optimal performance. Compatible with a range of LG and Kenmore dryer models, such as DLE3600V, DLEX3370W, and more, making it versatile for various setups. The ADQ56656401 lint filter boasts high-quality construction and has been rigorously tested for durability, promising long-term reliability in your laundry routine. In conclusion, the ADQ56656401 Dryer Lint Screen stands out as a top choice for those looking to maintain their dryer's performance. For more information or to get your own, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest products.